Dr. Mizel Amprin Lingdo MLA na East Shillong constituency habashim hak Jingkren Sngolam halor ka Jingkhluit no Dr. Ricky AJ Sinkon u MP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary constituency u balaklat no hak janmi jong ka khat khandai trik rumpang arajar punriu hak sngi besan ka dorbar mangtingka ka ying dorbar thawan ka jilla Meghalaya hak arpau trik rumpang arajar punriu kalapen kirmau shaka election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary constituency house nam arajar arpusau Dr. Amprin hak kedai kapor kedai ke menteri hak sarkar MDA2 bat kedai ke kertong ke National People's Party hak kedai ke election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary constituency hak bala job daw Dr. Ricky ubala tampalat arlak 90,000 vote yau sitting MP uba Vincent H Pala ke Congress kerba ke Dr. Mizel Amprin ke poi ke kerdan balai Ke Dr. Amprin kalau ong bahak ketai kepor hapadeng ke Jingkhluit ke Ïalap election penban ke kenmau bau Dr. Ricky AJ Sinkon Pyndonkam da ke Lynti ban Kynnoh Shimet kalau ong bagi jingken mau buram yu ke dei ban bot nuksa ban kiar na ke hima sima ke bawan rak jing isi bat ke hima ke babahatam ke dei ke jing syakri om ke jing pat yapra
Sir, we rise today in solemn remembrance of our late colleague Dr. Ricky AJ Sinkon. His untimely passing has brought grief not only to this assembly but to the people of Meghalaya whom we all serve. Though Dr. Sinkon and I belonged to different political parties, moments such as these remind us that beyond our differences, we share a common purpose, the service of our people and the strengthening of our democracy. In this spirit, sir, I wish to honor his life and his contributions. In 2024, Dr. Ricky Sinkon and I stood on opposite sides of the electoral contest. We debated, we differed, and we sought the trust of the same people. Yet, what I will always remember is that even in the heat of that campaign, he never succumbed to the rising trend of direct personal attack. In today's world, where politics too often slips into hostility, that restraint and dignity are qualities few understand and fewer still practice. For that, he earned not only respect from his supporters, but also from those of us who stood against him. This is a lesson we must carry forward. If we are to honor his memory, we must ensure that our politics does not become a theater of hatred, but remains a forum of ideas and service. Differences will always exist, but they must never overshadow our shared responsibility to the people of the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Sinkon's journey from an academia to a public servant was marked by courage and conviction. As a teacher, he shaped minds. As a parliamentarian, he sought to shape policy. His presence in the Lok Sabha enriched its debates, and his sincerity reminded us that politics at its best is about service, not division. Honorable members, today we mourn the loss not only of a public servant, but a colleague and a son of Meghalaya. On behalf of my constituents and myself, Honorable Speaker, sir, I extend our deepest condolences to his family, his friends, and all who grieve his loss. May his soul rest in peace, and may his example of dignity and sincerity continue to guide us across party lines. Thank you, sir.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha Pyndonkam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.